What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today we're having another simple DIY install on my Honda S2000. As you guys can see, the S2000 is a convertible. We have the top down. However, one issue that a lot of S2000 owners have been experiencing, including me, is over time these soft top straps tend to kind of get loose and saggy. So let's show you guys what I mean. Alright, so I hopped into my S2000. Let's go ahead and put the soft top up, show you guys what I mean. So let's get it to accessory mode. Soft top. Alright. Okay, so if you notice, this bar right here, it's really supposed to be higher up, just like that. It's just sagging over time because this little strap right here is sagging, as you guys can tell. There's one on each side. It's kind of sagging down. It's just wear and tear over time. So I got some replacement straps. I know back then Modify makes them, but unfortunately they are no longer in business. So the alternative is I got it from this company called LHT Performance. So yeah, some simple soft straps. $40 something shipped from LHT Performance. Hopefully does the trick. You guys can see it's kind of dangling down, touches my hair when I drive. So I usually always drive with the top up anyway, but sometimes when I have it top down, you know, I just don't really like this bar dangling in the way. I've tried to fix it myself. I tried putting like some duct tape to hold it in place. Doesn't really do the job. So hopefully these new soft straps will be a lot better. Alright, so this is my OEM strap. You guys can tell it is super worn out. It is super saggy. It's not supposed to be like this. But just over time, you know, wear and tear. So it's really supposed to be pretty tight. So yeah, first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it, remove it. So you might notice there are some rivet points. So right over on this bar, you guys can see the rivet point right here. And then we also have another rivet point right here. So you're going to use a scissors or razor blade, cut the strap as close to this rivet point as possible. Okay, I have my soft top up. I know in some cases people have noticed some sagging on the soft top. So this bar right here is supposed to be upright like this. It's supposed to provide some support for your soft top. Obviously, it's not really doing its job right now. But yeah, it's supposed to provide some rigidity to your soft top. Alright, so first step, like I said, I'm going to cut it as close as I can to both of the rivet points. Remove the old strap. Alright, so now that you cut the old strap, this nasty old strap, like I said, the rivets, you don't have to remove it, which is pretty nice. They actually have some holes in the rivets on each one. And whenever you buy them, whether you have the old Modify straps or the new LHT Performance straps, it actually has little pins that you just put on. So let me show you guys how these new straps look like. You guys can see they are a lot shorter. And they have these little pins right here on both sides. So those pins will go into those rivet points. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I have my soft top kind of halfway up. And like I said, you have these little pins on the strap that you buy from LHT Performance. And these pins are going to go in the rivet holes. There's rivet holes here and rivet holes here. So with the pins facing down, I'm going to go ahead and attach it on the back one first. Facing down like so. Alright, so now that you have the pins in the rivet hole, you're going to go ahead and twirl it once around the bar. Once around the bar, like so. So we already wrapped one round around it. And then now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this other bar that's dangling. You're gonna feed this towards this bar. All right, so now that you have this strapped around, now is the complicated part, so pay close attention. Right here we have this bar, right, that's loose. You're gonna pull this strap around this arm. So you're gonna come around from right here. We're gonna pull it right around here like this. Wrap it around from this side around here, and then fold it and bring it up to the rivets. So let's show you guys. Strap right here, pull it around the sides. It's elastic, don't be scared. Go around right here, and then put it in this rivet. So that's how it looks, a hot mess. As you guys can see, we did it from this backwards, went around this side, and then twirl around this bar from up here, and then put it in the rivets. So now what we're gonna do is, this mess right here, we're gonna push it through on this side and put it up here. All right, so now this mess right here, we're gonna try to get it on the side over. So stretchable, don't be scared, but we have to kind of stretch it. Okay, now that I give it over, just adjust it. So yeah, pretty much one side's done. You guys can see that we have it right here, just to right here. It's real short. As we put the soft top up, it's gonna be, you know, this bar's gonna be held in place. It is pretty elastic, but it's also pretty sturdy. It's not really moving much. Versus on this side, you guys can see there's so much sagging going on. All right, on to the passenger side. Super loose, shouldn't be hard at all. So we're gonna quick little recap. You gotta cut the straps, so cut it as close as you can to where the rivet point is on both sides, and then pretty much feed it on the back one first. Right, the rivets in, twirl it around one round, come over here on this side, go to this side on the arm, put it back here, and then move it over. So let's go ahead and knock it out. Nasty old straps versus the nice new straps. All right, so locate your rivet holes. Okay, so I have this strap in the rivet holes. Now I'm gonna go one round around it. So one round around it like so. You make one full loop. Now we're gonna have this bar. You might notice a little bit of tension because one side's already tight. I'm gonna flip this like so. So I'm gonna go over it and then go from the side and loop around it and put it in the rivet hole. Alright, so you guys can see that mess. Pretty much twirl it around this back bar right here. Feed it through the side of this bar, up around, and now it's in a rivet. So now what I gotta do is pretty much stretch this part over this bar on this side up here. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now you guys can see that pretty much what I did was I kind of went around this bar, stretch it over here. So right now it's just straight like that. So yeah, both sides are completed. And you guys can see that the old strap is all saggy. So yeah, no longer need that. Let's go ahead and put up the soft top and see if it works. Alright, so moment of truth. Let's go ahead and hit the convertible top. Hey, So now the bar is not hitting my head, it's up here instead of right here. And this is how it should look once it's done. And if you look at the other side, same thing as well. Nice and tight. So quick little simple DIY video. So hope some of you S2000 owners find this helpful. Like I said, that bar just sagging down has been bugging me for quite a while. And I tried using zip ties at first. I tried using duct tape. Didn't really do the job because you needed something that's somewhat elastic. So yeah, I think, I think back then you could probably buy a strap from Modify for about 20 something dollars, 10 years ago. Unfortunately out of business, so LHT Performance sells it. I think some people on Amazon, eBay probably sell it. There's also people that DIY. You can go buy those straps, those elastic straps from your hardware store, and just put little staplers. You can do that yourself, poke the holes, make it yourself. But I just wanted something that works, the right length, would fit in the rivers, just nice. So yeah, fairly easy install, a little bit of finagling. I have big hands, so hope you guys like that simple DIY. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.